Good morning, everybody. I'm Jessa Zinn. I'm the founder of the Zinn Method. I'm so glad you're here. Today, we are talking about why you should stop stretching your neck. I know that can feel a little controversial. I know that can feel a little alarming. I want your neck to feel good. I want you to get out of the nagging pain that you're living with. But here's the deal. Sometimes the tension that we hold in our body is a strategy for stability. What does that mean? So if my 12 to 16 pounds of head is being balanced on this little neck, right? And then I am crunched forward into like tech neck position throughout the day. The tension that is created by that repetitive stress, that neck forward position, that tension can actually be helping me stabilize. So it's not ideal, right? We want our stabilizer muscles, not our tension, to do the stabilizing work. However, if we don't have that capability, that tension is what we're using. So I don't want to rob you of stability with this idea of rewarding mobility, right? So we need to release what's actually tight beyond the neck and then stabilize the neck so that that chronic tension can start to move away. So how do we think about releasing? Well, instead of going to the place of pain, right, we want to think about pulling the lens back and asking ourselves, what else is involved? So when we talk about tension and pain in the neck, what we want to look at is what's happening at the shoulders. The shoulders are right beneath the neck, as we know. And when our shoulders are tight, when our chest is tight, that pulls on our neck and creates tension that can feel tight. So there's two types of tightness. There's short tight and long tight. So long tight is like when I'm pulling the fabric of my shirt. When I pull the fabric of my shirt, I don't feel it down where the pull is happening, but rather I feel it through the fabric of the shirt up into my collar. But I know not to pull out my collar to release that tension. Rather, I untuck the shirt and I reorganize the material, and that pull releases. And that's what we're looking to do today. We're going to pull the lens back, and instead of focusing on stretching the neck itself, we're going to release what's pulling on the neck. So grab your foam roller, please. Come lie down on the floor. Line your foam roller up with your bra strap, or what would be the bra strap. Bring the hands behind you and extend over the foam roller and round up. Again, over the foam roller and round up. Two more like this. Breathing all the while. Last one. Beautiful. Pause here. The back of the head is parallel to the floor. You're supporting with your hands. Elbows are as wide as they can be without creating strain into the shoulder joint. If you feel this in the shoulder joint, just pull your elbows in slightly. And now side bend to the right. Breathe into the left lung. Come back center. Side bend left. Breathe into the right lung and come back center. Roll up one turn of the foam roller. And now release over and come back up. Extension through the spine. Breathing. Exhale, flexion. One more. Extension and flexion. Beautiful. Bring your elbows wide, side bend right, breathing. So we're opening up the fabric, the fascia that pulls up into the neck. And then roll up one more turn, just a little bit. Extend over and lift up. Now we're between the shoulder blades. Squeeze your elbows together. And with the elbows towards the ears, come into extension and flexion. 2 more. Last one. Good. And release. Bring the foam roller right onto your back, lying straight on it. I'm trying to get into the camera. There we go. Bring the arms straight up, mobilizing the shoulder joints. Reach for the ceiling, pull the shoulder blades together. Reach for the ceiling, pull the shoulder blades together. 2 more. Reach and pull. Last one. Beautiful. And now reach the arms overhead and come back up. 2 more. Arms overhead. Again, we're releasing the areas that pull up into the neck rather than the neck itself. That tension in the neck can be the strategy that's stabilizing, and we do not want to release. We do not want to destabilize the neck. So bring the arms out to the side, and like snow angels or jumping jacks with the palms of the hands as close to the floor as you can manage, bring the arms up and down. So we're opening up the chest, the tissues of the pec, the fascia that pulls up into the neck. And just be mindful that you're not in extension of the neck here, so the chin isn't lifting, but rather slightly tucked. Good. 2 more. Letting it go. Good. Arms out to the side, and just breathe here. Allow the elbows to bend slightly, bringing the forearms towards the floor if that's available to you. Good. And release. And then last, we'll bring the foam roller right behind the crown of the head. So not the neck proper, but just up to where the skull meets the head, and just outlining the nape of the neck. Turn to the left, compressing and pressing into the foam roller. This is where your tool matters. Please do not do this on a nubby, hard foam roller. That's a little mean. Find a softer foam roller and use that instrument, please. Good. And then all the way to the left. And just with your intention, press the right shoulder down into the floor. Make a yes movement here. Getting very specific on the foam roller, and a no movement. And then turn a quarter turn towards the center. Make a yes movement so you're not quite straight, sort of at like 11 o'clock, and a no. And then all the way to the right. We'll invite that left shoulder to release towards the floor and away from the ear. So the chest is wide, and make a yes movement and a no movement. And notice we're leaving the neck alone. We're above the neck, we're below the neck, but we're not on the neck. And turn to about 1 or 2 o'clock here and make a yes movement, getting very specific. So make the movement small on the foam roller and no. And just swallow, make sure your throat is open. Invite the tongue to rest on the bottom of the mouth. and then back, center, and just one big all the way to the left and all the way to the right. And all the way to the left and all the way to the right. Good. And release. Come off of the foam roller. Come to sit. Interlock your hands behind your head. Bring the heel of the hand to the back of the head and press straight back. Hi, everybody. Thanks for the waves. Good morning. And release. Press the head straight back. And release. 2 more. So we're stabilizing the neck muscles. And release. Last one. We're activating the neck muscles so that the releases can be integrated into the body, and we stabilize the neck so that that is what allows for release to happen. I welcome you to join me into the Zinn Method platform this month. It's my birthday month. I'm celebrating, I'm teaching a retreat up at Canyon Ranch this week with Jill Miller, which is such an honor. And to celebrate, I'm offering a $35 monthly membership, which is a 50% discount from the typical membership price. So if you found this helpful, if you want more information about how do you release without destabilizing the body so that you can actually integrate change from a nervous system level on up, join the platform. I can't wait to see you in there. Please DM me with any questions, and have a great day. I'll see you soon. I need my glasses to turn this off because I am 54 this week, and that's what happens. Have a great day, everybody.